Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa. I'm from Group 4 and morning class. Here I will explain definition of speech community. Language is both an individual passion and social passion. Speech community is hard to define it because there is not a true definition of it. The kind of group that sees sociolinguistic attempt to study is called speech community. In one hand, speech community has many definitions with explanation by linguists. It is better to know about definition itself before we are going to the next explanation of speech community. Some linguists define the meaning of the speech community, and we can use those as the knowledge and basic of speech community. Based on the free encyclopedia, speech community is a group of people who share set of norms and expectations regarding the use of language. Speech communities can be members of a profession with a specialized jargon. These take social group like high school students or hip-hop fans, or even technique group like families and friends. Members of speech communities will often develop slang or jargon to serve the group's special purpose and priorities. Members of the community speak more often with each other than they do with members outside the community. This pattern of behavior is known as cognitive isolation. Cognitive isolation is increased by social, cultural, economic, and geographical factors. Consequently, over time, the speech community developed characteristics of language, and language use the different from those of another community. A speech community comes to share a specific sort of norm language used to living and inserting together. And speech communities may therefore emerge among all groups that interact frequently and share certain norms and ideologies. Such groups can be village, country, political, or professional communities, communities with shared interests, hobbies, or lifestyle, or even just group or friends. Speech community may share both particular set of vocabulary and grammatical and genre, and also norm for how and when to speak in particular ways. In addition, online and other media communities, such as many internet forums, often constitute speech communities. Members of speech community will often develop slang or jargon to serve the group's special purpose, and probably members of the same should share linguistic norms. That is, they share understanding, value, and attitude about language. Various person in their community will take action. Definition of speech community is debate. There is a board consensus that the concept immensely useful, if not crucial, for the study of language variation and change. Maybe just that all I can explain about definition of speech community, and my friend will explain the next material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asy Rosyida Hidayah. I'm from a morning class. I'm from group 4, and here I will to explain about intersecting communities in speech communities. Okay, speech communities is a group of people who speak the same language and shares the same dialect and word and grammar rules of language as a standard. For example, in transgender communities, they use particular vocabulary such as akika to change word aku, I, and then in speech communities there are intersecting communities and network are and repertoire. Intersecting communities, language that used from communities such as like we know people is blamed, but taken, saddened by looking the word, saying, and intonation, and also dialect. Intersecting communities indicating the speaker of place do use expressions indicates that there is some idea of how a typical person from each place speak. To be a member of a particular speech community, somewhat loosely defined, and for example, New York speech, and then London speech, and then South African speech. Each member of a community has a repertoire of social identities that are each one in a given context in associate with a number of non-verbal and verbal forms of expressions, and there is no a clear way on how to define how individuals can classify themselves, and speakers are creating and recreating social identities. So it is impossible to predict the group or community he or she will consider itself to belong in a particular moment. Dialect and language are beginning to influence each other. For example, London is a community in some senses but not in others. Neither a single speech communities, even though it has 300 language or more, it's too big and fragment. And then moreover, Rosen has also indicate some of problems find in trying to call a city like London speech community, and in describing exactly what characterizes its speech.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rika Aulia Wididiani. I'm from Group 4, a morning class. Here, I will explain network and repertories of speech community. Networks and repertories is show that a person can be part of various speech community. Some that intersect and some that do not. Certain individuals may be in one or more groups but not another. To be involved in a dance network, if the people you know and interest with also know and interest with one another. If they do not, the network is also lost one. You are also said to be involved in a multiplex network in the people within it are tied together in more than one way. Not just through work but also through other social activities. People will go to school together, marry each other's siblings, and work and play together, participate in dance multiplex. The language repertories of one individual speaker determined by the language varieties in that he or she know and use within his or her speech community. His or her speech communities, active and passive knowledge. Speaker's verbal repertoire defines his or her individual's community's competence. Communicative competence is the ability to not only construct grammatically correct sentence but also to apply language correctly and appropriately. With respect to different social speech situations, a competent speaker is able to vary his or her language by applying different register and styles.